Did you know the US is moving toward the biggest financial shift since the invention of the internet? And most people will miss it, because they don't understand what digital money truly is. Stay with me for 5 minutes, and you'll understand the future of money better than 90% of people. Welcome to Digital Money Mastery. I'm your host, and if you want to learn crypto, digital currency, and the new economy the way successful Americans do, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, because this is episode 1 of a full daily series. Digital money is simply money that exists electronically, not as paper cash. You use it every day without realizing it. When you pay with a debit card, when you buy something online, when your paycheck hits your bank app. But this is centralized digital money, controlled by banks. Crypto is decentralized digital money. No bank, no government, no middleman. It runs on something called blockchain, which records every transaction publicly and securely. Imagine a giant transparent notebook that nobody can erase. That's blockchain. Because crypto is becoming a new investment class, a faster payment method, a hedge against inflation. And more companies in the US, from Tesla to PayPal, are adopting it. The world is shifting from cash-based money to code-based money. In the next few years, the US may even launch a digital dollar. If you learn this early, you get ahead. If you ignore it, you fall behind. You just learned the foundation. In episode 2, we'll break down exactly how crypto works, in simple US-friendly terms so anyone can understand it. Trust me, you won't want to miss that. Hit subscribe, drop a comment saying episode 2, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next lesson in Digital Money Mastery.